In this video, we are going to file multiple filings into the same case. Specifically, we're going to file the initial notice of appearance, the request for voluntary discovery, which we are going to file and serve on the district attorney, and then we will also file an ex parte motion requesting funds in the same transaction. So we'll click Start Filing. File into existing case. The location, which is Wake County Superior Court, and right now only the locations that are on e-file and serve are listed in the locations. The file number needs to be 22CR. The S does not get added into this anymore for criminal filings. And then you need to add the 9-910 for the Wake County Code at the end of the file number. So now we can click Actions, File into Case. Click on Parties. It will bring up the parties in the case. And we will click Add Filing. And this one is we're going to click File and Serve, since this will be the notice of appearance that we are starting with. I'm going to just put NOA for a note, although it is not required to add that. And then I will upload the PDF version of that document. And then I will select public as the confidentiality level, since it is a public document, and click Save. At this point, I'm going to click Add More, and I'm going to click E-File and Serve at the top, because we are now going to select the motion for request for voluntary discovery / motion for discovery. And I'm just going to put in here RVD for request for voluntary discovery. You don't have to put anything in the description if you don't want to. So then I'm going to select the file. And again, it's going to be selected for public level of confidentiality, since it's a public document. And then you're going to click Save. Now we're going to click E-File only, not E-File and Serve, because we're getting ready to do an ex parte motion that does not get served on the district attorney. So again, we're going to click Motion. And I'm just going to do ex parte request for funds. And I'm going to add the file. This one, however, on the confidentiality level setting, on the security setting, we're going to click Confidential and then Save. So now we have added 3 different documents into the same case in the same filing. However, 2 of them will be going directly to the district attorney and will be served on the district attorney that was previously added in the case, as well as one that will go to the judge. That will be an ex parte motion that will not be served on the district attorney. So we're going to click Service. And again, you can see where we checked the district attorney that was going to be getting this. Click Fees. Criminal defendants do not have to pay the fees associated with any filings. There are no filings, so you would just click your client's name as the person responsible for the 0 filing fee, select the attorney, and calculate fees, which will then show as 0. So then we click Summary. We will check all of the boxes. Scroll down. You can verify your service contacts in this matter are correct, and then you can submit. Once the document's been submitted to the clerk's office, you will receive an email notification from the clerk's office identifying that it has been submitted. Once it has been accepted by the clerk's office, you will receive a second email that will enable you to click on a link in that at the bottom of that email to be able to view the file stamped submissions that were done at this point in time. So right now I'm going to click Return to Dashboard, and you can see in the dashboard where I recently submitted 3 filings in this particular matter in this envelope, and hopefully very shortly I should receive an email confirmation about that submission. So at this point, I've now received 3 separate emails indicating that my documents have been submitted to the clerk of court. And you'll notice the filing submitted headline. You can see which document was submitted and the timestamp that it was received, that it was submitted to the clerk's office. When you scroll down, it just shows the document details and then the file page numbers that were associated with that particular document. The second document that we filed was the motion for voluntary discovery, request for voluntary discovery, which is right here. And you can see that this one had 7 pages in it and the timestamp. And then the third page, the third submission was the motion for the ex parte motion that we submitted as well in this matter. So it has been submitted. The next emails that you should receive hopefully shortly after that will be the emails indicating that the filing has been accepted by the Clerk of Superior Court.